Welcome back, dear children. We were doing exercise 15C, question number 19. In question number 19, they, they told this shape is divided into a square and two rectangles. First sub question, what is the area of a square A? What is the means you can see the figure this. What is the square area of a square A? Then what is the length of a rectangle B? What is the area of rectangle B? What is the breadth of rectangle C? And what is the area of rectangle C? Okay, so like this way we have to solve this question. So see, first we will draw the figure, which is very important. First we need to find the area of, we can give the names, see here A B C is given, but I can give the A B C D D E F G, and like this way I can also give. So I can take a area of square A first, we will find. Okay, so it is a square area, so we know the formula side into side, and side is given 6 centimeter 6 centimeter. All sides are equal in a square, so you can put here in place of side 6 are 36 centimeter square, so 36 meter square. Then next area of rectangle, this B we have to find. So here length and breadth. So here they are telling in question we need to find what is the length of the rectangle B. Means length first we will find, and then we will find the area. So how to find for rectangle B length? See, total length is given of this one 23 meter, and we need to find the length of this one rectangle B. So 23 and this 10 meter also given. So what we will do to find this length, we can subtract from total 23 minus this length. So you will get this one part. So you will get length 23 minus 10, 13 meter length of this one. Okay, 13 meter. Now breadth it of this rectangle already given 4 meter, so that we can put in to find the area of rectangle B. L into B in length 13 meter, breadth 4 meter, 13 fours are 52 meter square. Now see, for area of rectangle, now C1 we have to find this one area. For that we need breadth of this, because length is given here 23, but breadth we don't know, because total breadth is given 21. So we need to find the breadth of this rectangle C, this one. So how we can find? See, this 6 meter for first one, 10 meter for second one. So this what we can do, 6, this one 6 meter this breadth, and this 4 meter this one, 6 meter and 4 meter this breadth we can add. 6 plus 4, and total length is 21. From that we can subtract 6 plus 4, 10. 21 minus 10, you will get breadth 11 meter, and length is 23. So we can put in this area of rectangle C. You will get the answer 253 meter square. Now last question, sub question is, what is the area of this shape? Total shape area we need to find. So area of this shape, we can add area of A, area of B, area of rectangle C. When you will add all three areas, 36, 52, 20, 53, so you will get shape of all this 341 meters square. This is the solution. Now for question number 20, you can see. So in question number 20, find the area of each of this figure. So first A figure you will see. See here two rectangles are there, like this way, A, B and C. Three rectangles are there. So for these two rectangles, first we will find the area of area of part A and area of part C. See here length is given 6, breadth is given 7. So area of part A, length into breadth, 6 into 7, 42 meter square we will get. Same thing, this also same, 6 meter and 7 meter. So it will be 6 7s are 42 again. But this part B, to find the area of part B, see, length is given, but this breadth we don't know. So that time how to find for part B breadth? So that time total breadth 6 centimeter. From that this 3 meter if you will subtract, so you will get the breadth of this rectangle. Okay, so 6 minus 3, 3 meter breadth. So in place of length 7, okay, this one, and in place of breadth 3 meter we can write. Okay, so 7 3s are 21. Now again area of this shape, so we will add all these three parts. area 42, 42 and 21. So you'll get the answer 105 meter square. Same for this shape. Now you can see this shape. Question number same 20. So in this shape also, this part and this part is same. So first we will find the area of these two parts. So area of part A. So you know it is a rectangle, it is also rectangle. So area of rectangle, this length is 6, breadth is 3. So 6 3 is 18. Same here part C. So length is 6, breadth is 3. 6 3 is 18 meter square, centimeter square. Now for part B, see, length we need to find, so see, 5 meter till here, and from here to here, see, 3 meter here, so this one also 3 meter. So 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 meter total length will come. Okay, then breadth, total breadth is given 12 meter. So till here, if it is 6 meter, this, so this one also 6 meter. So what is remaining? 6 meter. So this one length, breadth is for this rectangle 6 meter. So 8 6 are 48 centimeter square. Now area of this shape, so all area we will add, you will get the answer 84 centimeter square. Now for part C, C1, this figure. So you know this is very easy. We will divide it into 5 parts. Okay, area of first part, how you will get? This is the length 5 and breadth is 1 centimeter. So you'll get the area of rectangle first one part 5 centimeter square. Now in length we will reduce 1 centimeter. Okay, so in part second you can reduce this 1 centimeter. So you know the area of this. So length is your 5 minus 1 centimeter, 4, and breadth is 1 centimeter. So 4 ones are 4. Same as it is, you can find this parts also, and area of this given shape. So you will add all this. So you will get here 15 centimeter square area of this given shape. Now next question, D part, D sum. So this is also very easy. See, in H, this one rectangle, second rectangle, see, first rectangle, second rectangle, third rectangle, A, B, C. So first A and C both are equal. So we will find this both first area. So area of A rectangle. So length is 4, breadth is 1 centimeter. So length into breadth, area of rectangle A, 4 ones are 4 centimeter square. Same way we can find this one also. If it is 4 centimeter, so this length also it will be 4 centimeter. So again 4 centimeter into 1 centimeter, you will get 4 centimeter square. Then now area of this one rectangle. So for that, here we know the length of this one 2 centimeter, but this breadth of this rectangle we don't know. So how you will find? It is till here to here, breadth is given 1.5 centimeter. If it is 1.5, so this one also it will be 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so when you will add 1.5 from here and 1.5 from here, so it will become 3 centimeter, and total length is 4 centimeter. So 4 minus 3, you will get 1 centimeter, means this one breadth is 1 centimeter. Okay, so we can put in this formula. Length is what? Length is 2 and breadth is 1. Okay, clear? Length is 2, breadth is 1. So 2 ones are 2 centimeter square. When you will find area of total area of given shape, so 4 plus 4 plus 2 ones are 2. This, when you will add, you'll get 10 centimeter square. Okay, now for question number 21, find the shaded area. So first we will draw the figure like this way. Okay, now here we can see 2 rectangles are there. Okay, so I can give the name P, Q, R, S for outer rectangle, and for inner rectangle I can give the name A, B, C and D. Width is given from all sides 0.5 centimeter. Length of outer rectangle 10 centimeter. Breadth of outer rectangle 8 centimeter. For inner rectangle, length and breadth we have to find. Okay, and we need to find here area of shaded region, means this shaded portion area we need to find. So how you will do? First of all, here area of PQRS, this outer rectangle, length, it is a rectangle cell, length into breadth in capital I have taken. Okay, so 10 centimeter here, and breadth 8 centimeter. Directly we can, for outer rectangle PQRS we can find. But for inner rectangle ABCDs, inner one, we length and breadth we have to find. How you will do? See, first we will find the length of inner rectangle. Inner rectangle की length find करना है. कैसे find करोगे? So for that, total length is given 10. Okay, so this one from here 0.5 and 0.5, this two length we can add 0.5 plus 0.5, and we can subtract from total length 10. 0.5 plus 0.5 1, so 10 minus 1 9 centimeter. Same way, this breadth is given, total breadth 8 centimeter for all, but we need to find breadth of this small rectangle. So we have to subtract this 0.5 and 0.5. First we will add 0.5 and 0.5. It will come 1, and we will subtract from total breadth 8 from that. So 8 minus 1, 7 centimeter. Now here in place of length we can put 9. In place of breadth, for small rectangle 7. 9 sevens are 63. 10 8s are 80. 80 minus 63, you will get 17 centimeter square area of this shaded region. Okay, so this is the solution. Now next question. So now question number 22. The question is here, MCQ question is there. So you can see here, the area of rectangle is 108 centimeter square. If its length is 12 centimeter, the ratio of its breadth to its length is. So how you will find here? Area of rectangle is given 108. We know the formula of area of rectangle, length into breadth. Length is given 12, breadth we have to find. So I can transpose 12 to here. 12 9s are 108. So breadth I will get 9 centimeter, and length is already mentioned 12 centimeter. They are telling the ratio of its breadth to its length. So ratio breadth to length. So breadth is 9, length is 12. 9 ratio 12 means 9 upon 12. We can cancel with 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 3 upon 4 means 3 is to 4, means C option is correct. Now 23rd. So in 23rd question, in a square park of side 120 meter, there is a swimming pool of 25 meter to 20 meter. The rest is picnic ground. What is the area of picnic ground? Okay, you can see this figure. Okay, what is the area of this picnic ground? We have to find. Inside one rectangular pool is there. Picnic ground is the shape of square. Okay, so like this we have to find the area of a picnic ground. So area of ground, okay, area of here square park, area of square park, what is given? Area of square park is side into side formula, and area of rectangular pool, so rectangular pool L into B formula. So this square park side is given 120 centimeter square, and minus this, it will be 120 meter square, and it is length is given 25, breadth is given 20. We will multiply, you will get 500. When you will do 120 multiply 120, what will come? 14400. So that will come here, minus this, so you will get area of picnic ground. So which option is correct? D option is correct. Okay, now higher order thinking skill question, 24th sum. In this question they are asking, the area of square A is 25 centimeter square. The perimeter of square B is 12 centimeter. What is the area and perimeter of square C? You can see this figure I have drawn here also. So first we will find area of square C. So side of a area of square C already given in the question. First we will find the side of this. So we know the formula, side is square and 25. Now when you will remove this square, what will come in here? Under root 25, and 25 square root is 5. So side A you will get 5 centimeter. When you will get side A, if you will get 5 centimeter, this one side 5 centimeter you got. So okay, now perimeter of square B they are asking, which is given 12 centimeter in question. So we know the formula, 4 into side perimeter of square. Side here as it is 4, you will transfer 4 3 z 12. Side B you will get B 3 centimeter. Now for side C if you want to find, so this side A and side B you have to add, then you will get side C. So 5 plus 3, 8 centimeter square, 8 centimeter. Then area of square C. So side into side formula or side square. In place of side, you will get put 8. 8 square means 8 8 is 64 centimeter square. Now perimeter of square C, you need to find, so 4 into side formula. Then in place of side, I can put 8. Then 4 8 is 32. Perimeter and area both we have found for this C. So this your exercise is finished. I hope you have understood. Thank you.